capo on the 4th fret. So it's A minor. So, you know, this one's honestly the slightest bit more difficult. And the reason it is, I mean, once you get it down, you got to practice a little bit, but once you get it down, it's only back and forth, and you don't have to really move out of that pattern, because throughout the whole song, it just goes back and forth. Even in the, you know, the instrumental when they're playing the flute part, you know, that's a freaking amazing part. So anyways, it's A minor, capo on the 4th fret, A minor, G, F, G, and then this F, up this E. It's in the E minor family, but it's open strings. You got to do it this way too. It has to be the middle finger on the A string from the capo, 2nd fret. Okay. Open. The D string is open. Now the G string, same fret, 2nd fret. You got to use the ring finger, must. And then you all strings open. And the reason you have to finger it like this is because you're going to lift your ring finger and simultaneously drop on the same string, 1st fret, your pointer. So it's A minor, G, F, G, funky E. C, G, A minor, F, funky E. Drop the pointer. A minor, G, F, G, funky E. C, G, A minor, F, funky E. A minor, G, F, G, funky E. All the leaves are blue, the sky is gray. I will go on a winter's day. I'll be safe and warm if I was in LA. California on such a day. Stopped into a church, I passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees, I pretend to pray. You know the preacher likes to go, he knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on such a Wednesday. That's fun. Oh man, that's freaking tight, man. Anyways, that last part there wasn't bad. So it should sound, you know, and that's the way you play it and sing it. That is the way, I mean, anybody who knows that song would have no problem recognizing that that was that song. So, 2 songs from the beginning of rock and roll.